Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. My name is Erica, your favorite rich auntie in the making.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
And I make videos about Black women in luxury. So if you enjoy things like fashion, food, fun, travel, or if you're just looking for an escape, this might be the place for you, so I hope you stick around. As always, if you enjoy this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. So without further ado, let's get into it. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I have a mini double Prada unboxing. As I alluded to in my previous video, which I will put right up here, I was waiting on getting this bag that is very popular. You've probably seen it everywhere. They come in a lot of different colors and they go really, really fast. And again, with the current coronavirus situation.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real! Shit is getting real!
And yes, people, we are still in a pandemic. It's been a little bit more difficult to get shipments in regularly to the United States. So like, if you are in the market for this bag, which we will open it in a second, make sure that you connect with an essay, put your name on a waiting list, and then also make sure you have like a signature confirmation, so when it comes in, they can just like send you a picture of the bag, the details of the bag, and then you can like purchase it right away without having to do a lot of back and forth. And that's how I was able to get this bag. So it just came in today. Shipping was a little bit slower than usual. I'm not sure why that is, but it's fine. It still got here pretty fast. So I'm very happy with that. So let's unbox her. So this is the first item. It's in this little bag. Now I did pick this up in store at the Soho location. This is when I had just wanted to put my name down and sign like the signature confirmation for the bag that I was waiting for, because I realized I like never did that during the previous visit. And I had wanted to pick this item up because I really needed one, and also Prada was doing a little pop-up for kind of like their summer collection. They like hauled in like a ton of sand into the location. It was really beautiful, and like the Prada Soho location is just like always really beautifully curated, and the setup and the design, well, it's a beautiful space. So another reason why I like going there. But they have this pop-up for the summer collection. So let's open her up. Oh, cute. So they do give you like these little Prada chocolates here. They're so cute. Ooh! And I just dropped them all over the floor. They smell incredible, and I have to eat these, I'm not gonna lie, because they are getting moistened, but they're so beautiful. It doesn't say who actually makes them, but like they make them exclusively for Prada. So that's really sweet. Excited to have this with maybe some champagne. And then you can probably tell from this bag what it is, but it is a little SLG. And here we go. It's got a little authentication card in there. And here is the wallet. So here is the card holder. It is in a Saffiano leather with this gold trim Prada triangle logo, also with the same sort of neutral color in the middle here. In the front here, it has 4 slots for the card holder, a main slot here for like bills and notes. Obviously you don't want to overstuff it. And then in the back here, there's an additional 4 slots for your card as well, so it can hold a lot. And then we have the contents of the box. So let's actually do this. So, it's so beautifully packaged. So nice. Here is what I got. Okay, got a little damage on the way, but here is the bag. This is the Re-Edition Nylon 2000, and this is in the color Rosa. And you can see that it has the Saffiano leather in the accessories here, so in the zipper, as well as this little tag here, which I will remove in just a second. Yeah, and then of course it's also in the pink here with the silver triangle. And then it's just like a big pouch. Oops, it's just a big pouch in the middle with the Prada. And yeah, and then it comes with your authentication card as well. And this is the inside. It has this Prada lining in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little mini unboxing into Prada. And you know, as a luxury fashion shopper, I definitely think that Prada is one of my favorite houses, if not my favorite house. Just the sort of in-store shopping experience has been really well, especially coming off of the pandemic, as well as the online shopping experience. And, you know, I still think that while luxury bags are like quite pricey and they're an investment, Prada is still one of the more accessible brands, and they make quality products, and the price is still justified. Yes, they do have price increases here and there, but it's not like ridiculous to the point of some brands. Miss Chanel, what is you doing, baby girl? Like Saffiano leather is fantastic. It's probably my favorite leather out of the houses. I mean, I don't own an Hermes, Kelly, or Birkin, or Constance, and I recognize that like that Epsom leather is sort of like top tier, but like Saffiano leather is made to last. It is so durable, and it's a great investment. And then of course, you know, everybody's kind of enjoying Prada nylon, which is sort of like their thing. When you think of nylon in fashion, it was Prada who did it. It was Ms. Muccia. So if you're thinking of something to purchase as like a first bag, and if you're easing your way into purchasing sort of luxury goods and you're thinking about a first bag, I would say go for it. If you really love these bags, go for it. And I know usually like the advice, and my advice typically is like go for an investment piece, just in case like somewhere down the line you're not really into it anymore, you can sell it and get your money back. But I plan on keeping most of my bags. This bag is still under $1,000, and as they get more popular, I think you'll definitely see this inching their way up. So if you enjoyed today's video, again, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Of course, only if you want to, because consent is important. And other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and ta-ta for now.